著名的电影配乐大师、作曲家 Hans Zimmer， 他的母亲呢，当时是从纳粹集中营逃出来的。在这一次的乌克兰被俄罗斯入侵的战争当中，他特别找了10几位来自于 Odessa 的国家歌剧院里头弦乐团的乌克兰音乐家。Odessa 呢，本来就是很多音乐家最喜欢的乌克兰的城市，它位在黑海旁边。这是一个最美丽的城市，充满了历史的遗迹，而且有非常多的过去的作曲家，包括柴可夫斯基，他们最喜欢的乌克兰的城市。而这次奥德萨的歌剧院里头有10几位弦乐团的成员，他们逃出了乌克兰，最后呢，有好几个国家，包括保加利亚等，都愿意庇护他们。Hans Zimmer 和他们联合起来做了一个很特别的一个演出，而且做了一个纪录片。这个纪录片里头最后一个钢琴演奏了 Hans Zimmer 自己的一个作品。我们来看，在一场战火当中非常动人的片段。Hans Zimmer 说了一段话，他说：“我一直认为对抗暴政及战争最有力的武器就是艺术和音乐。”
Should we do a little gladiator? Okay.
In terms of your compositions, what's the sort of running order for tonight?
Follow me. Here's today's menu. Dune, refugees, a family of refugees.
Wir haben aus dem Orchester also wirklich nur 10 Leute rausgekriegt am Ende des Tages und eben die 10 sind hier. Und would you please stand up? I mean, thank you for having the courage to be on this tour. Thank you for being part of our family. We love you. All of these people are here for you. Und es war auch so, dass es meistens die Frauen waren, die wir rauskriegen konnten. Natürlich, wir geben nicht auf, aber trotzdem, das nächste Stück ist natürlich an den Frauen von der Ukraine gewidmet. Und das kann nur ein Stück sein, Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman, which I'm really doing quietly to honor these women that have come in here from the Ukraine. And I think the courage, just the sheer courage of leaving your man behind, leaving your country behind.
原本汉斯季默的欧洲巡演要由整个奥德萨歌剧院管弦乐团演出，但是俄罗斯2月24日袭击乌克兰后，大部分团员都困在了乌克兰。全欧洲的音乐人尽全力帮忙填补了空缺，完成了这个原本应该由奥德萨歌剧院管弦乐团与汉斯季默的演出。
A Man of Steel is the weirdest thing. It's Superman, really. But what I tried to do, I tried to turn it on its head. I tried to make this guy who had to flee his planet, who lands on Earth, and he's not trying to be Superman at all. He's trying to become human. I always thought, you know, like the greatest weapon we have, the greatest weapon we have against brutality and war and anything like this is art. There's something about art. I mean, you look at Shostakovich's symphonies that he wrote against Stalin. You just can't get caught, you know, sometimes. And a lot of the stuff I do, you can't get caught at the subversive stuff, which is ultimately about bringing people together. Even like a kiddies movie, like The Lion King. You know, we recorded the choirs 2 weeks before the general election where the ANC finally won. there was a civil war going on in South Africa, and Lebo, my main vocalist, he was a political refugee. And then what happens now? We're playing all these countries totally in the company of humans who are going through terrible things, and at the same time sitting there doing their best to not only entertain you but to move you.
This is famous Ukrainian composer Miroslav Skorik. Melody. This is what is in our heart, you know. Yeah, I can tell you about my mom. She was living in Ukraine, and now in the house where I was born, actually, there is a rocket, a Russian rocket.
Hit the house?
Yes, but I think it is very old and it didn't blow, and that's why my mother is alive. I don't know what to say.
Just play. That's you know, look, the great thing is we don't need words. We are very good at, we just have heart and we just play.
So my daughter found this video online, which I'd love to show you. I hope it works, that we can show you. It's just an Instagram video of somebody playing time under different circumstances in the Ukraine while the sirens are going off. Can you run the video?
是对抗暴政及战争最有力的武器。